Hey y'all, it's your girl Christy here, and in this video we are going to do a dread retwist. My brother is in from Dallas, and before he goes back home he wanted his hair done, and I was looking for a dread model, so it all worked out. Before I get into it, please don't mind how I'm looking, y'all. I did not think my face would be in this camera at all. I have a new camera I was working with, and I did not know that my lips and stuff was in it, and I'm looking all types of gnaw. So please disregard that. And then also I have my 5-year-old in the shop with me. She's just attached at the hip, y'all. So please don't mind her, as she's going to be in and out this video trying to help me do hair and all of that. So please don't mind her. All right. So now look, dreads is a whole different ball game. Okay. Doing retwist should not have taken me as long as it did. Part of that is because I do have my kid here. But y'all, it's a whole different ball game. Now, I've been looking online, and people use the comb method and the palm method. So I tried both. The comb method seemed like it twists the hair tighter to me, but the comb kept getting stuck in my brother's head, or the dread kept popping out the comb. So I got frustrated with that. So I went ahead and tried to do the palm method. But I don't know. So if you guys have any tricks or tips you guys want to give me, please drop them down in the comments, y'all. I do want to step into this lane to do starter locks and retwists only as of right now. So any tips or tricks, please let me know, y'all, because I was struggling at first, okay? But yeah, dreads, it's not bad. It's very repetitive, but it's something I do want to step into. So, yeah, the product I'm using, I cannot think of her name right now, and I apologize if she ever come across this video, but I met her at an event. She was doing a pop-up shop, and, you know, I was trying to find a product to use for dreads. So she had some stuff, and it's all natural, all organic, and it smells good. It has sunflower seed oil in there, black castor oil, all the oils you can think of is in the product. I have a gel, I have a hair growth oil, and a moisturizer. She also has a beard oil for the fellas, so I'm gonna put her information in down below and tap in with her. But yeah, y'all, retwisting is a whole different ball game, but I kind of got a rhythm here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward this video, and you guys are going to see me retwisting my brother's head. And then when I come back, I'm going to do a final look before I style it, and then a super final look when I'm done. Talking about super. But y'all, stay tuned for the finishing product.
Straightening, yeah, straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit, popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. That shit on, nigga get shit on. I bought 2 whips and I put my bitch on. She put this wrist on. She factored and said it went with trim prongs. Turn a pandemic into a pandemic, you know that's the shit that we on. Them niggas gon' pull up and L at this shit is together, won't fuck with you home. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap with a demon in it. Upgrade the band up with fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straightening, yeah. Straightening, yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
You don't get shit straight if you don't straighten it. No, I don't take the shit back and watch patient. Do a trick with the stick, it's amazing. In the bando, chopping that bacon. Lows on like I'm starting in the matrix. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I get the keys and the pounds and the babies. And the bricks came white like shady. Drive a Lambo through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to them white boys. All white boys, no radical. Keep you a fight, don't let them take it. If they get yours, you gotta get straight. I got your op, I give them a facelift. My niggas looking to spending the day shift. I got the rap when you see me. Then back to back, it's a repeat. Championship, it's a 3-piece. Shoot out the window like Drizzy and Freaky. I keep it on me, believe me. I be up high where the trees be. I go and put on so much of this ice. They say don't touch me, you gon' freeze me.
Straightening, 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 yeah. Straightening, 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 yeah. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. Don't not get strained but straightening. You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it.
Hey y'all, this is the finishing touch before I style. I went ahead and put him under the dryer for about 35 minutes. Dreads do take a minute for them to dry. But yeah, it came out nice, clean, precise. You know, I like the outcome. It came out very, very, very nice. So next you guys are going to see the finishing style. So my brother he said braids, but he don't know the proper term. So I did his dress before, so I went ahead and gave him like 3 barrel curls, and then the back I just braided it down. It is what it is, but it came out nice. Then I also gave him a cut around his perimeter, I guess you could say, and you know, it came out nice. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more.